If you are new to Excel, the screen can look confusing at first. In this quick lesson, you will create a simple table and learn what the main parts of Excel actually mean. Start by opening Microsoft Excel. On the Start screen, click Blank Workbook. This opens a new Excel file. This entire file is called a workbook. Think of a workbook like the full Excel file you save on your computer. At the bottom left, you will see a tab called Sheet 1. This is a worksheet. A worksheet is one page inside the workbook where you type and organize your data. A workbook can have more than one worksheet, but for this beginner example, we will use just one. Across the top, you will see letters like A, B, C. These are columns. On the left side, you will see numbers like 1, 2, 3. These are rows. When a column and row meet, you get a cell. This is called A1 because it is in column A and row 1. Now, let's create a very simple table. Click cell A1 and type employee name. Next, click cell B2 and type employee salary. Click cell A2 and type the name. I will type Supandat as an example. Now, click cell B2 and type 65,000. Press enter. You have just entered data into Excel using rows, columns, and cells. To make the table easier to understand, select the header in A1 and B1. Go to Home and click Bold. Headers help you quickly understand what each column is for. This is a good habit when you organize data in Excel. If the text does not fit, move your mouse between the column letters and double click. Excel adjusts the column width automatically. A common beginner mistake is typing in the wrong cell. Before you type, always look at the selected cell. If the cell border is around A1, your typing goes into A1. If the border is around B2, your typing goes into B2. So click the cell first, then type. Quick recap. A workbook is the Excel file. A worksheet is a page inside that file. Columns go down, rows go across, and cells are the box where you enter data. You also created your first simple Excel table with a name and salary. Continue building your Excel skills with Excel Fundamental playlist or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.